Gonna smoke me a fatted brisket.
Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a steak and egg sandwich at the pit, and it's real easy to do. But right off, we want to give a shout out to Citrus Safe, who are sponsoring this video. We appreciate your support. When you need to clean your grill, grab some Citrus Safe and get it done. All right, so let's put this together. Here we've got some ribeye steak cut off the prime, right? And often you'll find it like this, right? You got your center cut portion right there. It's perfect for a steak. And this will roll and tie. Perfect. Now, the key point is you want to use the most tender beef steak you can get. You want it moist and tender when you bite into that sandwich. So choose a good quality steak, period. Tying the steak, and this keeps it together, keeps it round, so to speak. It'll make it look real pretty on that steak sandwich you build in just a few minutes. All right? Simple. Now, just in case you missed it, we're going to show you how to do it again. Do a simple tie with some butcher's twine. Man, I'll tell you what, if you never had a steak and egg sandwich off the pit before, you definitely got to check it out. It's good. All right, for those of you who have just hung in there and watched this, now you know how to tie the steak. Simple enough, right? Now, here we've got some cooking oil, and we'll coat each side of the steak with the oil. And what this does is allows us to put our seasoning on it, and it'll stick that much better. Look at that. Tell you what, this is not your local drive-up steak and egg sandwich we're building here. Now, we're going to take some seasoning. Of course, you want to season your steak, so we're going to use our SPG. Sprinkle it on, salt, pepper, garlic, a few other seasonings in there. And we appreciate your support when you purchase our SPG from our website. All right. Now, we're ready for the grill. We're using one of our Santa Marias here. And we'll go direct over the flames. Just like that, get a nice sear at first. Now with our Santa Maria, we're able to raise and lower the grate, and so we have total control over the cook. Oh, man. Can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can, you're on the wrong damn channel, right? You know how that goes. Oh, man. Now, let's, we'll take some more oil. We've got some olive oil here. And check our temperature of the steak. We want to move them when they're about 115 degrees Fahrenheit to the side, more indirect. Again, control the heat. You do not want to overcook a steak. You will ruin it. All right? Medium rare at the most. Now, let's get to the egg part. Just fry up a couple eggs. I told you this was going to be easy. And let's put this together. Oh, man. Now, you set these up the way you want. We've got some onions. We got some tomatoes. Put the egg on top. And we got it soft, right? Use a condiment. And take a look at that. Oh, Lord have mercy.
I'll cut this one.
Now, because we know you want to take a look on the inside, we'll show you. So take your trusty 10-inch butcher, slice it down the middle, and take a look at that. The egg yolk is a little bit runny, like most prefer, but if you don't, hey, cook your egg a little bit longer. Take a look. Oh, medium rare, moist, tender. Wow. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.